National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, south central Sauk County in south central Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Maizomanie and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Middleton, Waunakee, Black Earth, Cross Plains, Marksville, and Pine Bluff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.